today's guest has made 6 figures in 6 months. Actually, he's done way more than that. To introduce him, I thought I'd do something different. I want to read what I'm gonna write about him in the 2nd edition of YouTube Secrets. Levi Lascsak picked up a copy of YouTube Secrets and he started his business as a real estate agent, sharing information about Dallas, Texas housing information and neighborhood tours. He gets a few hundred to a few thousand views. Though this may seem modest in terms of impressions and might not make him super famous, it's created massive traffic and he's been able to convert it into buyers for his real estate business, leading to, yes, $1 million revenue business in his first year.
64 transactions, now we are here to already at 64. He should be asking me a question. All of you should be asking he and his partner questions.
Our average view duration is 6.5 minutes. So meaning in one sitting, they're getting locked in.
Y'all, Levi, he's from Dallas. Well, he's handsome as all get out. He is like the YouTube king. The guy is the YouTube king. Listen to me. He has done $22 million in volume from his YouTube channel in the last, 8 months or something. The guy is absolutely the king of YouTube. Levi, I love you.
So, I remember those stories. That's the thing. Facts tell, stories sell. If you treat YouTube like a hobby, it'll pay you like a hobby. If you treat it like a business, it'll pay you like a business. Once that first deal came under contract at 90 days, it is completely snowballed from at that standpoint. And now since March 1st, Benji, we have done 50 transactions.
That's crazy.
50 transactions. That's totaled. We've broken over 25 million in production.
Wow.
But what is so amazing about his journey is simply the fact that he began uploading videos not even a year ago, right? Wasn't your first video December 2020?
December 5th, 2020, yes.
So not even a year ago, and yet YouTube is his primary lead generating platform.
You guys know I try and bring people that are, I know, practitioners first and foremost, but we put a lot of people that implement YouTube. But I think Levi has a very different perspective.
Levi is legit. He is the creator of the Living in Dallas YouTube channel. They have over 353,000 views, over 40,000 watch hours, over 4,400 subscribers, and hey, most importantly, they can source $25 million in real estate business directly to their channel. Welcome, Levi!
What's up, Levi?
First of all that value is killer, and Atlanta was awesome too, so I appreciate your time on that.
Hey, thanks, Levi. I appreciate so much your time.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Levi, you guys are superheroes. Thank you so much for doing this.
Again, thank you, Levi.
Thank you so much, Levi. This was very impressive.
Levi's amazing.
If you have more than 1 year left in your real estate career, you should be on YouTube.